दिस इंडिया। वेल, आज मैं खाऊंगा ये चिप्स, ठीक है। आज जब पाइनएप्पल का शुरुआत हुआ ही है तो हम लोग क्यों ना पाइनएप्पल से कॉकटेल बनाते हैं
प्लीज।
वो जो शाम का जो स्नैक्स का मजा है अभी ये हेल्दी होने वाला है।
दिस इज अमेजिंग।
गुड एंड थैंक यू हिना, थैंक यू सो मच। वेलकम टू कॉकटेल्स इंडिया। वेल, आज मैं खाऊंगा ये चिप्स, ठीक है।
अकेले तो नहीं खा सकते।
अरे ये खूब इंटरेस्टिंग है, एक बार देखो तो इसको खा के बताओ कि तुमको कैसा लगा।
चिप्स एंड आई थिंक पैकेट में बहुत कुछ है।
क्या नाम है कंपनी का?
दिस इज मंची
मंची
एंड दे हैव मेड इट फ्रॉम रियल फूड्स। इट्स नॉट फ्राइड and most importantly no added sugar, and I think there's a good amount of 30 grams of chips. I think it's a very healthy munching.
Correct.
For people who don't want sugar, who are afraid of fried fruits. So I think it's a very unique concept, and pineapple with a chili punch. I think they have very less and
very interesting stuff seasoning. I'm telling you, very interesting. तुम खोल के खाओ। हाँ,
let's see how it tastes.
टेस्ट कैसा लग रहा है?
Okay, मेरी बैड भी तो कोशिश कर रही हूँ। हाँ, it's done.
So open.
The smell is very good.
Very good. Even taste, I'm telling you.
Yes.
Outstanding. Just check.
Wow.
Just check.
It actually looks like a pineapple.
Actually pineapple is
and
a pineapple.
Not fried.
Dried pineapple.
Yeah,
pure dried pineapple.
And it's seasoned with little bit of spice, and I think it's amazing. Let's see. I'll try it.
Please try and tell me how is the taste. Good.
It's fabulous.
Give me one. आज जब पाइनएप्पल का शुरुआत हुआ ही है तो हम लोग क्यों ना पाइनएप्पल से कॉकटेल बनाते हैं।
प्लीज मेक इट। आई थिंक इट विल बी अ गुड साइड फूड आल्सो।
यू कैरी ऑन विद दिस पाइनएप्पल चिप्स। आई एम मेकिंग द कॉकटेल।
So this is for munchies. It's amazing. They have made it from real fruit and they have dried. They have not fried it, and it's very
fantastic,
healthy munching. It's actually very good.
You carry on.
I will. Thanks.
Okay, now.
So we are doing with pineapple.
Pineapple, like so. I've got pineapple chunks. Today?
Why are you using all my favorite food? I'm having a good pineapple fritters and I'm going to have pineapple cocktail. This is star anise.
Correct.
Wow.
This is star anise. So I'm going to use few. Okay, dash of.
And all basic घर का मसाला we are using.
Correct. अब इसको ना हम लोग क्रैश कर देंगे. I mean, so that the aroma comes out properly.
So just asking, can we use powder of star anise?
Yeah.
Instead of muddling.
Yeah. So. मैंने पहले मेडल कर लिया एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड फ्यू चंक्स ऑफ pineapple. So and I have to muddle it once again.
Since we are into this pineapple thing, people you should go and definitely try this munchies. It's one of a kind of chips.
Pure pineapple.
Flavored. It's actually pineapple. It's dried. It's seasoned.
A healthy substitute.
It's very healthy. I'm enjoying my munchies.
स्नैक्स का वो जो शाम का जो स्नैक्स का मजा है अभी ये हेल्दी होने वाला है ना? Even with the cocktail.
Yes.
Okay, so I added pineapple and anise seed. Now I got the
flavor of both.
Flavor, correct. See, there's anise flavor.
It's very
fragrant. Now I'm going to add 60 ml Nagomi whiskey. Oaksmith Nagomi. Nagomi is very interesting whiskey. Entry level Scotch kind of whiskey. Okay. It can easily comparable with the Scotch.
It looks very nice. The bottle is very good.
काफी interesting है. So I am going to add 45 ml of Nagomi. Indian whiskey.
So from where does the word Nagomi comes?
Nagomi मतलब peace. Nagomi मतलब harmony.
Okay.
Nagomi मतलब in Japanese is a Japanese word.
So after this,
तो उसका मतलब harmony and balance, harmony, like this kind of.
We are pouring 45.
45. Okay. Now I'm going to add one more interesting stuff, which is Nagomi whiskey infused sauce.
Wow.
Or star anise. You can tell.
It can be anything.
Star anise.
So
I already infused.
Can it smell?
Yeah. There is a beautiful smell. Star anise smell.
Seed.
Correct.
Smell, yes.
Correct. So I'm going to use this 15 ml.
Very generous.
It's going to enhance the anise flavor in the cocktail. 15 ml. So almost 60 ml I have added alcohol.
So I have never tried pineapple with whiskey. I have tried with vodka. But
fantastic, I'm telling you, it's a wonderful. Now pineapple juice. Okay, so pineapple juice you can add 60 ml or 45 ml.
Okay, depends.
So I'm going to add 60 ml. 15
and little more. So pineapple has its own tanginess, and then we have this strong aroma of whiskey
Yeah.
and the flavor of whiskey. And there goes this
Lime.
magic ingredient, the
Correct.
lime.
So I have to balance the cocktail. So you need lime around 10 ml.
Okay.
Okay.
You
So
also see some pepper.
no, pepper I will give the last. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to add it, but in
Yes.
the last.
How can we forget ice?
हाँ,
Without ice, cocktail अधूरा है.
correct. तो एक बड़ा सा आइस मैंने
And
दे
I
दिया.
wonder sometimes that people they want cocktail without ice. तो
हाँ.
मैं सोचती यार
ओए,
क्यों?
क्या बात है, मतलब
Why
कोई
are you
मतलब ही
killing
नहीं
the
होता.
Spirit of a cocktail. We just going to
So this is
it's a
shake.
different way of shaking.
It's called Boston Shaker,
Okay.
where everything is visible when हम लोग शूट करते हैं. मोस्टली बॉस्टन में करते हैं क्योंकि इसमें दिखता है.
I think the dimension should be very much
हाँ.
complementing each other.
Correct. So now this is done.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have to stain it out. See, done.
All things. Wow.
Yeah. So now I have to double stain it. So I
Okay.
need a Hawthorne strainer.
So
to-
hot and strainer.
to hold the ice and everything, a small particle of the drink, and
Okay.
then I need one more strainer.
This will
that
help you.
will. Correct. So now,
This is so fascinating.
so I have to put all the ingredients.
Wow, the color is so nice. नहीं, उसका रंग देख के इंसान का दिल भर जाए.
हाँ.
पिएगा कौन?
So now we
It
have
has
to.
pineapple, star anise,
Correct.
whiskey, whiskey infused star anise.
Very very interesting stuff.
Very interesting.
Now you can add one good size of ice.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is such a eye-soothing drink.
Now you can add.
Little bit of pineapple. garnish.
So garnish, yeah. So I have to cut it like this.
How difficult is to cut a pineapple?
It's too difficult, but it's all right. This is all
Wow.
about our task and everything.
Wow, wow, wow.
This is done.
This is a
So you can add one more star anise over there. There's a star anise. You can add.
So we'll just keep
Just put it in the top.
this. So maybe on the
Correct.
base.
Fantastic. Your cocktail is completely ready.
Wow, this is so tropical.
हाँ.
Very tropical. Ideally, beach pe बैठो under sunlight, and then you're having this nice, pineapple infused cocktail. So are we using this?
Yes. Now again I pour.
What will you do with it?
So this is crushed pepper.
Yes.
You have to
Just
sprinkle it. Just sprinkle it a little bit everywhere. Correct. That's all. That's all. Just
What
a
is the
touch.
role of this pepper?
Yeah, when you sip the drink along with the pineapple and all the other ingredients, ये bite जैसा काम करेगा.
Yes.
There's a tanginess, there's a spiciness in your mouth, so you can feel the cocktail. So yeah, please taste it and tell me how it is.
I would love to. Can't wait to taste this.
Check. And good,
It's marvelous.
good.
It's marvelous. I
Achha,
have that flavor
let
of
me- let me
whiskey,
try.
the pineapple, the star anise. It's one of a kind. Kudos.
Fantastic.
It's beautiful. So,
Very nice.
So it's very tropical,
Correct.
It gives you that tropical feeling, beach vibes. You're on your beach, enjoy. You want to drink. So उसको क्या नाम दें हम लोग?
इसका नाम हो सकता है ट्रॉपिकल नागोमी.
Inspired from the look
and
and the brand
Nagomi.
that we are using. Amazing.
Tropical Nagomi.
Tropical Nagomi. Amazing.
हाँ.
I think it should be there in all the menu of the cocktails that we have in the city. क्यों नहीं है अभी तक?
हाँ, exactly. तो
Do something.
आप लोग बनाओ यार, नागोमी खरीदो, बनाओ, और वो चिप्स भी खरीदना है तो
This
खरीदो.
chips is absolutely
very
complimentary with this drink, and I can vouch for it. I am a person who keeps on munching, and when you get such healthy munchies, nothing like that. This is amazing.
Good. And thank you, Hina. Thank you so
for
much.
having
I know
me.
you came multiple times, in our channel.
It keeps on calling me. The place keeps on calling me because I get to taste such wonderful creations.
Thank you.
In terms of your cocktails.
It means a lot to us,
Yes,
actually.
it means a lot for us. Good for me to get such good cocktails.
By the way, if you want to follow Hina, then there is a Instagram account. You can directly follow her. She's a party girl and she's a supermodel as well. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. मिलते हैं बहुत जल्द एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर.
And don't forget
Please.
to like, share, and subscribe. And we end with
Jai Ho!